Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are talking to Dr. Ann Wilkinson, who's a very leading doctor of the city, a pathologist by profession, and a very active medico fraternity of Rotary Club of Nagpur. You're welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you.
So through this show, we actually wanted to educate the society about the nature and scope of work that we undertake under our surgical camps at Rotary Club of Nagpur. So could you shed some light on this?
Yes, so our club in 1987, we started with our first surgical camp in the most rural area, Hemalkasa. That's in Bhamragarh district. And we started with a camp there. The hospital at that time was not so very well developed. So there was hardly an OT also there, an operation theater. It was a very small setup. But we had very dedicated and sincere Rotarians who wanted to reach out to the tribals over there who had no facilities for surgery. Medicine, some amount, the family who runs that hospital, Dr. Prakash Amte and his wife were able to do, but big surgeries which they needed, they just could not afford to come to cities. They never wanted to leave the comfort of their villages and surroundings and travel so far. And of course, they couldn't afford it at all. So it was a big gesture on part of Rotary to start going out to them way back in 1987.
1987, that's like 2 full decades of, and even beyond that. That's really wonderful.
Yeah,
And you have been
years.
a part of these camps right since it's 34 years?
Last 20 years, ever since I joined Rotary. It was one of the first surgical camps I did, and I'm so excited. And ever since, I have been attending every single camp there.
So ladies and gentlemen, for those of you for whom the word Hemalkasa is a new word, I'm sure you are aware of Dr. Prakash Amte and the noble work that he does. Rotary Club of Nagpur has been associated with his project for the last 34 years. And Dr. Ann Wilkinson is a living tribute to it. For the last 20 years, she has been dedicatedly giving this service. Dr. Wilkinson, we would like to know that someone who does not belong to Hemalkasa, but wants to undergo a surgery and is a needy person who can't afford it, do you have any solution for such people?
I would say yes, because even in Hemalkasa, there are some cases which are a little, cannot be done at a rural level. You know, you need more facilities, which we can give only in the city. We have even arranged for such patients right from their transport to their care in the city and taking them back to their village. Same, we have had, we want to reach out to such needy patients. So there have been times where poor patients, even in the city, have appealed to Rotary Club of Nagpur, and through our Rotarians, through the proper process, through the respective presidents, we have reached out and helped monetarily, and our own Rotarian surgeons have given free service in their hospitals, and Rotary Club has taken care of everything, medicines, everything, exactly the way we have done in Hemalkasa all these years. It's totally free to the patient. We also go to another area, that is Melghat camp. For the last 5 years, we've been associated with the Mahan Trust with Dr. Ashish Satav and his wife, Dr. Kavita Satav. They run a hospital there. And for the last 5 years, we've been going for surgical camps there also. There also, we have started small because we set up the operation theater for them, and we've been doing camps for them also. So basically, we want to reach out to tribals who can't afford to come to cities or who have no access, they have no knowledge of the kind of tumors they're carrying, which really grow to humongous sizes by the time we see them. The cancers and all are in pretty late stages, or even small tumors that grow to big sizes because they have just ignored it. For them, it's part of life. So
Ladies
we
and
do reach out to
gentlemen,
such people.
I'm sure by listening to Dr. Ann Wilkinson, even if you're not a Rotarian, your hearts will swell out in pride of the human service that Rotarians are doing to the society, outreaching to tribals and taking the best of medical health all the way to Melghat and Hemalkasa is not a joke. It needs dedication from professionals. And this is what we do at Rotary Club of Nagpur. We are all proud of you, Dr. Ann Wilkinson, and your entire team of doctors who visit these camps. Thank you very much and keep up the good work.
Thank you.